All right, Rankin family, welcome back to another beautiful property tour. Today, we are in Houston, Texas, looking at this beautiful new construction property. And this one is nothing short of exceptional. It's a custom builder, and I want to give a huge thank you to Oakington Realty for letting us take a look at this beautiful property. And that way we can showcase this on the channel. Now, so as of the time of this recording, this one is listed at 1.4, and I think the value is certainly there. I'll let you folks be the judge of that in the comments below. So we have 5 full bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. You got a half bath as well, over 4,000 square feet, and we're on over an 8,000 square foot lot, which is fantastic. So from the exterior, we really do have this beautiful contemporary look. Of course, you do have the double doors, but the one thing that you really are gonna notice, and it's gonna stand out quite a bit on the video, is these oversized picture windows that you have. You have the stucco all along as well, and this beautiful elevation as far as going into our covered front porch. And the reason, of course, it is elevated, I know we get a lot of skeptical folks, especially going to Houston, especially now, we just had this hurricane that had come through and stuff. So you really want to find that elevated property, especially if you're going to be in the inner city, just for the various reasons that you may know, right? Because of the flooding and stuff. So obviously, right off the bat, you are going to notice this huge open concept, and I really love that. That was certainly intentional, and also you may not notice, but a lot of times when we see the open concepts, you see that large beam. So I love the fact that they excluded that, because that is one of my deals. That's my deal breaker right there. That beam, just throwing the aesthetic off, in my opinion, sometimes it's nice. But especially if you have little kiddos that run around, and if you can imagine them hitting their heads right there, you don't want to have to deal with that. So that was our formal dining room. Going into our study, this is how large it is. It continues all along this way with the built-in storage. You got your countertops plus your cabinetry, which I absolutely love. And really the overall size inside of a study really is that, it's that it factor, in my opinion. I love the fact that we have that. Now, you may notice the wood flooring. So you have the oak wood flooring throughout the entirety of the property as well. And then before you go upstairs, of course, you have that bridge going across again. So now this is going to be our great room. You have 20-foot ceilings inside of here. Now, after you purchase the property, you can certainly add that nice, beautiful chandelier that really does give it that wow factor. But this is what we are working with. So you have an oversized great room, which I absolutely love. Of course, you have your fireplace dead center in the middle with your built-ins. So right there, a 75-inch TV would be a perfect place for you. And if you also wanted to add some more material in there just to kind of give it a little bit more pizzazz, you can certainly do so. But really minimalist, which a lot of folks love, and especially at this price point as of the time of the recording, I feel the value is there. Now, what you see inside of here is going to be your stainless steel appliances. You have these stack cabinets on top with the cabinet crowns. You have a stainless steel range hood again. Countertops are quartzite countertops. And just look at this. You have your oversized island. Now, I love the fact that we have the sink not in the island. You have it on the counters overlooking your backyard, and the oversized window to look at the kids or watch the kids playing in the backyard. You don't have to worry about them, escaping, right? You'll have a clear view of them washing dishes. But look at this, an oversized kitchen. I love the color palette in here, very neutral, really gives it that nice feel, especially in 2024, in my opinion. Now, of course, you might be disagreeing with me all in the comments, but if you haven't done so, let me know, do you agree, do you disagree, or what have you. Now, the good thing is with this property, a lot of times I showcase model homes and the appliances are just, the showcase purposes. It's not for sale, but this is what you see, and you get your Electrolux refrigerator. Look at this. You got the Lux Cool Pure Advantage air filter in there, oversized humongous, perfect for the fam. Even looking at our beautiful oversized stove as well. Look at that, that's the Z line. Top of the line is what you're gonna get inside of here, but just look at this, perfection. Now, I also love the fact that the flooring continues. Now, right here is gonna be your mudroom, but look at this oversized pantry. Plenty of storage shelving in here, continues almost to the top. And then even, of course, on the bottom, if you wanted to add more of your, some water cases or anything like that, you can certainly do so. Now, you might have recalled the elevation that you had. So you'll see that right here in your garage. Look at that. You still have excess material as well. So that way, if you needed to do any work on the property whatsoever down the road, you can certainly do so. And then also we have stacked cabinets on top of our refrigerator. Now just look at that. That's where we come in from, the picture window right above our double front door. And then really just the location is impeccable, right? Sometimes you might get some preconceived notions about Meyerland, but quite frankly, especially if you're buying a new construction property and it's elevated, that reduces the chances of having to worry so much. Now this is gonna be a guest room. Don't worry, this is not the primary. The primary is on the second level. So that's a good thing. So this is perfect for the guests, any family that comes over that wants to have their own space and their own bathroom. So that's a good thing. And yeah, I really like to bring custom homes to you because, sometimes you like to see people's ideas, some of their ideas come to fruition. And whenever you get to see, you get to judge for yourself. And the interesting thing is, one thing that you might think is absolutely a 1 or a 2 on a scale of 1 to 10, someone else could think it's a 10 out of 10, right? So that's what makes us so unique and individual. But look at this. So the countertops extends, the quartzite countertops extends inside of the bathrooms along with our kitchen as well. So that'll have its own full-size bathroom, and then you have your powder bath for all the guests that come in. You have your chrome handles, you got your great cabinetry, beautiful. And then right here you have a little storage area. Most folks would just add some decor, or maybe a bench right here just to kind of add more to the property, but you could certainly leave it as is. And then in my opinion, there's something that should go right here. I mean, I know this is a huge open space. Maybe you can add a larger dining table if that's what you want to do, but I don't know, there's something it just makes me feel like there's something that needs to be added right here, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. I mean, really, it's staged for perfection. And look at this. This is perfect for the Christmas tree. We got a few more months until Christmas is coming, so this will be the time to take advantage. And real quick, folks, if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Always great to have you. I appreciate the continued support. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I am a Texas realtor. I do get calls, texts, and emails every single week from folks looking to make a move to Texas. And, we have the folks that are helping families make a move out here. So my job is to make sure I bring the content to you folks, get you in these homes, spending a lot of my time doing that. And then we have the team to get you taken care of. So, of course, reach out so we can get you taken care of. Consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss a tour. Now, this is gonna be our full-on primary bedroom. So the one thing you'll notice is you have the crown molding on top. You also have the privacy windows. Now, me personally, I think a nice picture window right there would be nice. However, the reason I believe, in my opinion, that they added the privacy windows is because, of course, you do have the rear neighbors, and you might not want folks to, invade on your privacy inside the primary bedroom. So that certainly makes a ton of sense. But that's a king size bed. You got your nice standard dresser and then your nightstands on both sides, and you still have that plenty of room. Now going into our ensuite, look at this. So you have a freestanding tub, the privacy windows, again, his and her sink, same countertops, beautiful mirror, beautiful lighting fixtures. You got your walk-in shower with your shower wand. Of course, you have your toilet right here as well. Now, the one thing you will notice for sure is that most of the times when we go into these new construction properties, you will see in the primary bath that they have the closet, right? And here, that was intentional. They didn't want to add the primary closet. So the primary closet is actually around the corner in the bedroom. So look at this, nice little window or a door right here. And then this is your full on primary closet. Look at this. So a decent amount of space in here. You have your built-ins again over here. And then of course, more storage space if you wanted to take advantage of that. Now, I can see some folks saying, hey, this is plenty of room. You know, you might be in a bucket where you say that's not enough. I need a his and hers closet. Well, you know, the good thing is everything is negotiable. This property is ready to move in, so you can definitely take advantage of that. Now going to our next bedroom, the crown molding extends in here again, along with the wood flooring, beautiful windows. Now, if you wanted to add the picture windows in here, you can certainly do so, but I could see you easily being able to put that queen size bed, even the king size bed, the 2 nightstands, and a dresser, and maybe even a chair, like for a little sitting area if you wanted to do that. Now this one, you'll have the French doors along with a walk-in closet. You don't have any built-ins in here, but you can certainly add that down the road. And like I said, I mean, the good thing is you do have your full-on bathroom inside of here. So love that. Now you have white cabinetry in here, tile flooring with the black knobs in here. So I know there's a toss up between if you want the chrome. Me personally, I like that brass. That brass is just, I mean, it's undefeated in my opinion. All right, let's go to our next bedroom. Not get ahead of myself. So this will be our next bedroom. So you'll notice the crown molding extends in each bedroom upstairs. So that's good. And then same size closet, full walk-in. And I mean, plenty of space really. And also, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do anybody that's been a long-term, and this was, you know, this will extend inside of this full-size bathroom. Anybody that's been a long-term viewer of the channel, do you prefer custom homes that are ready for sale? Do you like looking at those? I mean, based on the ones that we brought to the channel, or do you love more of the model homes? Like, you know, just seeing the model homes, whether it's a major builder or someone not so major, but they really added a nice touch to their model homes. Which one do you prefer? Now, believe it or not, this looks like a full-size bedroom, but this is actually a utility room. This is a laundry room right here. Look at this. So, I mean, if you need a ton of space, here you go. I mean, you can add this as another room. I mean, you have your washer and dryer over here. Of course, you can build some, you know, cabinetry and things like that. But yeah, that's almost the size of another bedroom right there. Interesting enough. Okay, so this will be our final bedroom right here. Look at this. So each bedroom had a ton of space. Like I said, over 4,000 square feet. So you're really seeing what you're working with inside of here. And then this is gonna be, of course, your full-size walk-in closet. So each and every room had full walk-in closets, as well as ample space to add any type of furniture that you need, or any type of bedroom set for that matter. Now, I think right there will be some nice paintings if you wanted to add some paintings right here, or some art. Maybe you're an art collector, who knows? So I love it. Now, if you can imagine coming down here, all the fan bam is down here. Like I said, you can add something right here. I'll figure that out, what we can add there to make it stand out a little bit more. But let's get to the backyard. So you will have a covered backyard patio. That's what's good about this one. The stucco extends up here. Look at the top of the ceiling. So you have this nice wood ceiling in your covered backyard patio. And then again, the elevation stays here. So you don't really have to worry as much about the flooding, unless of course we get 5 feet, which it's been a while since that happened. So But look at this. You can add, probably you can have enough space to add a pool, but look, you have a trampoline over here. Maybe you can add your swing set over there. Really, possibilities are endless. But other than that, family, that was a beautiful custom home here in Houston. All right, Reiki family, it's hot today, but I hope you absolutely enjoyed this custom home. Let me know in the comments what you folks thought about it. If you want more information about this plan or any plan that we showcase, reach out to the information below. We'll get you taken care of. Consider hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.